Our first book coming out on January 6th is called Pocket Worlds. It's designs of tiny worlds within objects, like a gnome rowing in a teacup, dolphins in a clamshell, and cats living in a basket world. It's a cute, whimsical, and super satisfying book to color. Our next book is The Road Trip, and if you've ever taken a road trip of your own, then this just might be the book for you. It takes you on a world tour through famous places and sites, natural wonders, iconic landmarks, and seasonal scenes. It's made for those travel lovers who want a relaxing, color your way around the world, but the experience at home. This book excites me already, and I'm only seeing the cover, and it's all about shop fronts. It's window display coloring, where you get the charming storefront scenes in a florist, a toy shop, or a bakery. The focus is on decorating those inviting window displays and letting you color the details and creating your own storefront that just will be irresistible, that you just want to step into it in real life. Beautiful Mandala Coloring is our next book. It has 64 pages. Now, I'm not a fan of mandala coloring books myself. I just don't like the repetitive designs, and some of them have such small details that it's just not for me. But if you like the mandala coloring books, then you'll have 6 frameable cards within this book. It comes with 10 colored pencils, so you can just relax. There's no rules, just a mix of detailed patterns and lots of quiet time. With Valentine's Day just around the corner, I thought I would throw in a little bit of a cozy love coloring book. It's got 50 simple love theme pages. Think about cozy hugs, cocoa mugs, love notes, and those heart-filled scenes. You can relax and color. This book has single-sided pages to prevent that bleed through. It comes in an 8.5-inch size, and it's great for Valentine's Day, or really any day that you just want to get cozy and feel those love vibes. Marie Claire is also putting a book out in January for 1930s style. Now, I don't know about you, but I like the old styles. I love the long dresses and just the look and the patterns on them. So this would be a great book if you like fashion. You'll color glamorous gowns, sleek silhouettes, and chic accessories in that classic Hollywood vibe. Now, the pages are printed on creamy, high-quality paper, and many of the pages are removable wall art prints that are made for coloring or even painting. If you're into coloring flowers, then this next book, Amazing Orchids, would be perfect. It has thick, high-quality paper to prevent bleed-through, a key of full-color thumbnail images to preview the designs. It gives you full-page prints of original, full-color artwork to display. Now, while I'm here to bring you the latest and greatest newest releases on coloring books, that means that I might bring a few your way that might make you feel uncomfortable or even think, I can't believe there's a coloring book out there for this. Well, then this is one of those books that fit into that category. It has 80 images for classic lovers. It's an adult coloring book for sure. It is accompanied by spicy captions and sensual illustrations. It's a little bit of sexy, spicy, and a little bit of silly, but it's guaranteed to have hours of fun. So whether you're looking for a little inspiration or just some, well, we'll just leave it there. There's that coloring book. If you're into the world of fungi and mythology and folklore, then this book is a mix of all of that. It's a creative journey. It invites readers to explore a diverse collection of different types of species. It's ideal for anyone who has creative minds, mindfulness seekers, or if you're just a nature lover. The book is 9 inches by 9 inches. It's got 96 pages. It will help you bring your meditative and psychedelic journey into a magical world of mushrooms. If you're into coloring owls or you just like birds in general, then this book has the cutest big-eyed birds that you've probably ever seen. It's another Creative Haven book. Most Creative Haven books are the standard size paper, 8.5 by 11 inches. This book has 64 pages and it has 31 sweet little owl scenes. As a child, I loved unicorns, had my bedroom filled with unicorns. So here is another magical book of unicorns. If you like to wander through meadows, you like feathers and the magical creatures, then this is your dream come true in a coloring book. There's over 100 magical designs. The book is 8.5 by 9.5 inches. It's got 128 pages. The next book is Fantasy World. It's filled with little tiny dragons, fairies, gnomes, and designs that are simple to color. So if you don't have a lot of time to color, this is the perfect book to pick up. You can complete the pages fairly quick. You don't have a lot of details, and you can still get your coloring fix in every day. It has 105 pages. And if you would like to purchase any of these coloring books today, I have put every link down below in the description. And what books were your favorites for this month?